Thank you. Excellent work.
Bless you. All chat, all chat. Bless you.
Be brave as a lion. Do not cower.
There's a lot of not English going on in that all chat.
Oh yeah.
It's like the Europe server.
I was just playing on Asia. That was weird.
Oh. How was your ping there?
140 to 200 back and forth. It was not stable.
Oh.
No, it wasn't horrible.
No, it's not bad
But-
for Asia.
I couldn't get through Windows.
I can't do that on a good day with normal MS.
Hey,
What did you just say?
where's the ass?
No.
Oh. You'd know about a fucking big head. Arsehole, yeah. There's two people behind us.
Watch
Over there.
out.
No, never mind. On your TV. There you go.
With the no scope AK. Hacker. They're gonna report you because you're plainly.
Awesome. Awesome.
I know, right? He had a double barrel. Yeah, no? You okay? Huh? Okay. Moment. Alright.
Nice.
Team eliminated. Nice.
Still a sniper further back. 105.
Good
Ooh,
to see you.
access card.
One wipe.
Okay, I'm coming.
Sniper up
Watch
there.
out.
That's where you're just sitting waiting.
I'm just getting
Jason.
carried by PG.
I got
right now.
supplies.
Oh, what?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I'd like an
Thanks.
explanation as to what just happened. Holy shit. I need to get off my Wi-Fi. I tried to hop onto the wall, and it shot me like 25 feet away and damaged me.
Holy
I got supplies.
teleported you, basically.
Mm-hmm. Hacks.
That's crazy. That shit happens all the time. They gotta fix it.
My phone won't stop fucking buzzing. I'm going to beat somebody.
Just put it on the silent. Oh, somebody's name is
Yes, it is my phone.
Lovingblue69.
Oh, I see it.
Loving good.
Boobs are great.
Just found a one.
Alright.
I haven't got one big enough for your head.
Oh, no. Yo.
I can't mark.
Nice. There's a suppressor
I
here.
got supplies.
Silencer. Tell me about it, bro.
Hmm? There's a car 98 here.
I got
Anybody wants a
supplies.
sniper?
I'm good.
Hello?
Hello? You good?
Okay.
Hello.
It says I got 52 ping
I got
with
supplies.
no reception Wi-Fi, and I'm on my over-the-air. So I wasn't even sure if I was in the game.
Yeah, you went quiet for a minute, but
Nice.
I lagged so hard, I shot down a helicopter, and then all of a sudden, poof, I was dead to the guy in the helicopter. That was... The game gaslit me. It was horrible.
don't you touch my bot. Let me get this one kill. Go away. Die, you little bastard, Jeff.
Damn it,
Yeah,
guys.
fucking
I'm
nut.
lagging. My internet is lagging, bro. My bad.
Oh, oh. Oh, I've no scope. That's a hollow. Hollows are yucky. I have two spare. Two spare tac stocks. If anybody needs. Jesus Christ, that's not.
Good.
Oh, what the fuck? I didn't even touch my screen.
Holy shit.
Awesome.
Be right
Thanks.
back.
Okay. Where is he? I'm out here in the open, so no one has like a bottle come along, so I'm just gonna go over.
Alright. Yo, school seems to be clear. I don't see anybody at school. I'm not pushing, I'm just like not suspecting.
Yeeted myself. I didn't think we were going that fast. Whoops.
Obi.
Isn't yours still mute, just so you know. Oi. Leave me alone.
Where is the people?
Whoa, super fucking. I'm super fucking laggy.
We are the people. No, bro, no car. No car at the garage, bro. I checked. Get it. Alright. There's no way. Oh, we got shot. Yeah,
Watch
yeah.
out!
Oh, I didn't mean that. Watch out. I don't know who watched out. There's an AUG here.
Marked a location. Watch
I'm
out!
good. Okay. Same, bro. Have like a holograph. Hey, I'm coming.
I'm totally looting your box.
I have 0 kills. Same. Nice.
Hacker.
Hacker. Hacker man.
People still in apartments.
Always, bro.
Yeet.
Something about apartments, like, there's always people there.
God, no scope though, so.
Same.
Jason got his AMR. Jason's gonna kick ass with the
Not
AMR.
bad. Where are they?
They were in the big building. Yeah, I sent it to him. Oh, he said thanks. Sorry, I forgot to tell you.
Excellent work.
I
Jason,
think
you're
they're just
muted.
camping,
Marked a
bro.
I
location.
don't know if you know that or not.
Nice. Hell yeah.
I don't know why I was muted.
Because you restarted.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a friend. We're going away from the vehicles.
I'm
I
gonna
just want to let that
start them.
fucker see you with a scope. I love the way we all just ran away except for Jason.
I'm trying to get better. Even though I'm a fucking stoner.
I have 36 tokens here.
Whoa!
A lot
I
of
just
money.
picked up all them coins.
Yeah, you can buy a scope. Number 3.
Yeah, but you need a scope too. Or did you
No,
get one?
I'm good. I have a 3x. I found a 3x.
PG, you big rude bitch. Okay. This motherfucker's just letting my fat ass run. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Calm them titties, lady. I almost said bitch, but
Yeah.
I stopped myself.
It's okay, you can call me a bitch, Jason. I am a bitch. It's fine.
I think there might be a bird camp. Holy shit.
It's such a scenic overview. Wow.
Can we go to the shop?
Yeah.
Other one, Jack. I don't know which
No,
shop. If anybody else needs a scope, go to the shop. I'm just gonna buy a 4. That's only like 10 coins, and then I have spare.
I can give you my 4, and then we can get me a big scope.
Oh yeah, that'll do. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks. Awesome.
Drop an 8 at the shop.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Awesome.
I might be able to find some. Oh, this is all fucking looted. Huh? Oh, I found 2 more coins.
It says 10 at the shop.
Hello?
Yeah. No, I'm good. You guys keep the open. I'm good, man.
Did that fucker knock on my door or not? I thought I heard him knocking.
Marked a
Good.
Came to look for
location.
no reason.
Nice.
They're that way. Hello? Sure.
Where?
Sorry, that was total an accident.
I don't know where we're going.
I had no idea.
Shop in front of us.
Watch out.
Over here somewhere.
Watch
here?
out.
I think I'm gonna get the house with the flat top.
Watch out.
Bottom floor.
Okay.
I think he went upstairs. He's on the balcony. One
Right.
knocked. There's his buddy there.
Yeah.
2 knocked. All dead.
Good shit.
Night night, love you.
Oh
Okay.
my god.
Awesome. Thanks.
Jason, say hello there.
Nice.
Night, Jacob. Love you, buddy.
Say night night. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Love you, night
Yeah,
night.
Jesus has the loot. Yeah, damn.
What's your say, Michelle? Michelle said love you too, Jason.
I love you, Red Zone. Don't do it. Thanks, bro.
Nice job, bro.
Thank you.
Girl.
There
I'm
was a
not going out
Murado
It's angry at me.
somewhere.
Bro, I have 0 kills. I'm straight up being carried right now.
I'm gonna wait until the
What
red
are the
zone's
chances
over.
we get? Yeah, I was just gonna say. We're definitely gonna get knocked.
Oh shit.
Hey, don't close that door on me, you fucker. Watch it hit the front, right on front of this fucking thing, and it'll blow the 3 of us up. Watch. Jason will have to come save our asses.
Maybe 2. So the last team I was playing with, they were from India, and they said my American accent is very thick with the R's.
I've never noticed.
I've never noticed a hard R in my accent.
Right.
Drop 275.
Yeah. Let's get it.
And a bit of fuel in.
have a red dot. Something in the front.
You want to say goodnight to Cat again?
Again, oh, night night, baby.
Say night night, Cat.
All he wants to do is stop here and watch my thing.
Say night night.
Night night.
Come on, let's go. Good boy. Now, say night night, Grandad.
Night night, baby. Love you.
Night night, Grandad.
One second.
Alright. You good, bro. No
I need
worries.
a shot. It's out zone. Too bad you can't buy AMR bullets.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially SMG shit.
Mhm. Look at the zone. What zone is this? Exactly.
It's a weird zone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sure.
Mark.
Yep.
I hit him.
Good shit. They're all dead.
Is that them all?
Team eliminated.
Oh, did it say
Okay.
that? Oh.
Must have been a different guy.
Oh, dead.
Now it's team,
Team
eliminated.
eliminated.
Just keep
Nice.
you on your toes, bro.
Why? Because I stole your kills. There's a scope 6 here in this box. I didn't do it on purpose.
Only 3 people left.
Whoa.
I saved your ass, you bollocks. They were shooting at you in the car. No, you weren't.
Three left, 2 rounds left. Do I keep it or do I take the K9?
Keep it.
Oh,
Watch
yeah.
out!
Who the?
I think they're down here, bro. Maybe.
They were
Watch
just
out!
letting us know.
Yeah, drop me off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh,
On the crate.
Oh fuck, I wasn't reloaded.
Nice.
Awesome.
Team eliminated.
Thanks.
One more drill.
oh, can I get a red, please? GG's.
Nice.
Victory
Victories.
belongs to us.
GG.
Victory belongs to us.
Let me put some more water here.
Ended up with one of these.